He did the same.
Oh, right?
Yeah, he followed.
Oh, bring 2.
Right after that match, he won.
And here he is, sneaking his way into the finals.
He might,
again.
yeah.
Oh, that's short.
They got an uphill battle here. The Bills seems to be on fire today again.
That's bad.
Yeah, he's been nonstop.
Good shoe, dude. Right? Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
1 point, Boo.
Me.
Yeah, I was just telling them at this stage of the game, it's almost it's ringer time. Like ringer, you got to get ringers here.
Yeah, you really do. I feel like every time we see these opportunities come up, just like such as now, they're just missed.
Well,
you know?
Yeah, because it's point. Okay, yeah, because they're edged instead of rounded.
These are the moments that you have to make count. I mean, Cameron's got an open pit.
Looks like a point in, and
Yeah. There, 2 points.
maybe 2 points in. So
It'll add up. It'll definitely add up.
Sorry, I got 2 points. Just keep yelling. I got 2.
So they're on the losing side of this battle right now.
Me too. Me too.
yeah, down 1 game here.
Oh shit. Yeah.
I'm like, that's why he's confused.
Oh.
It's just these half rotations right around.
He just likes to jump and stuff, but like, no. But like Bailey right now, antagonizing me, so when she comes down,
Gosh, that's
he
close.
jumps on her, and then she's
That's really close.
yeah.
Let's bring out the
I
microscope.
can't fit my finger in between
He
mine.
can't fit his finger, guys.
I honestly think it's me because I can't.
1 point.
Point on.
Tyler.
Home.
Score.
All right,
3-1.
Cameron. See what Cameron has.
3-1.
Open pit.
Sit.
Close.
So, D.
Yeah. This
This is where it gets nerve-wracking here. You know you didn't stick one on. You got a guy who can throw 2
Oh, of
ringers
course.
anytime.
Yeah. Anytime.
That's okay.
I wonder if the weather has something to do with this. I'm
We're getting
blaming the weather
close.
today.
He's got the.
You know, maybe that metal stake has a little too much bounce,
Close.
not enough give,
But I think
or the horseshoes themselves. I mean,
They're being a little colder, not as receptive.
One away.
It's got to be something. 'Cause if you're not throwing ringers,
You guys get that one?
you're
Yeah.
barely getting points.
That
There's
was
one. Oop.
Get on it.
I'm still trying to figure out these buttons. Flip it.
All right, here comes partner. Big guy. Let's go. Let's go, partner. Right here. Here's partner. Right here. Cancels it.
This
Oh.
I don't even know what's going
rotated too
on.
much.
All right, I'm just gonna flip it
Yeah.
next time.
It rotated too much.
Good shoe, dude.
Half a rotation too much.
Okay, replay clip.
Money.
Oh,
Again.
clip it. All right. Now I think if I hit replay, it'll replay that one.
God, fucking damn it, dude.
Let's see, replay clip.
Rotated too much.
Good shoe, dude.
Yep, there it is.
Half
Here's
a rotation too much.
Ringer.
8-3.
Okay, replay clip. All right.
Money.
Oh,
And just the opposite of how I was saying, when you don't get one and somebody can come on, you go up first, you put a ringer on, then you put the pressure right on them.
Oh.
They got to do something now.
that's the struggle
Stick
of the
it.
game.
That's a partner right there.
Can he 6-pack it?
6-packet.
Oh,
It looks close.
It is good.
Looks on to me.
6-6.
Give me my money. Stop, Tyler.
About time I had found the fuck.
No. Sorry, Darren. I'm learning these buttons right now.
It's good.
That's out.
Well, it's out, but it was a good throw.
Good throw. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, me and my partner.
We're
linked.
same page.
We know what's up.
Who's in this other book? It's not like wide open.
It's not like wide open.
Come on, Darren.
Oh. Couple zeros.
You guys turn it down more.
Bye, Mama.
Say bye.
Love you.
Give him knuckles.
All right, today's
Yeah, 0.
adventure is brought
Be
to you
good girl
by
for Daddy,
Pride
okay?
Plumbing Services.
I love it.
Michael
We'll see you
Littleton
soon.
could not be here today, but we definitely support him, and he supports us.
Absolutely. What a guy.
What a guy.
Oh, that was off. Good rotation. Was off.
It's interesting how quick you get instant feedback when you let one of those shoes go. Exactly. You know right away, like, oh, yeah, I missed that one. Or you know if you pulled it, or you know.
Like, are you talking like for reference?
Yeah, like when you're throwing them yourself.
Yeah.
Like you know right away, like, oh shit, I pulled that. Oh, I know.
So something funny
Actually,
is when I'm throwing, and it's usually at home by myself when nothing
one
counts, right?
one us.
You have hits?
Yeah, I just
One
built some.
us.
Yeah.
I'll throw, and you know, like those video games where it has like the designated path, and you see the arrows, like you aim for what you want. That's what it feels like.
Right.
But it's and it's like you just feel it in your bones.
Yeah.
And then you always try to adjust. But I love that feeling. Like it's not really luck. It's just
Yeah, it was
just
close.
like you just locked in.
Yeah.
And boom, the ringer's gold. It's just right there.
Oh, yeah, because they said. No,
9 up.
you said it. It's done. Final. No changes.
Holding on tight here. Ooh. A little short, a little
Hey,
long.
open. There it is. Oh. How about that?
And this is a spot here where you want to see him
I thought it was gonna be good.
capitalize.
Zeros.
Final answer.
Yeah, that'll
Final
frust-
answer.
That'll frustrate you.
No
You got an
switches.
open pick.
Well,
You know you're in the
Promise.
best of 3 here. You know game's tight,
No one's scoring yet, and you have every opportunity,
and then boom, nothing. And it's like
and you're just joining the rest.
couple good shoes in there by Bill. Tyler.
That's on Moon. Oh,
Definitely needs one.
so this is yeah,
Ooh.
it's definitely
Which side?
Like 2 possibly.
Bill.
Yep.
Switching sides. Switching
I got you.
sides.
I'll go come back.
Come on, gentlemen. You got this.
11-9.
Great game here in the finals.
Hey, Bobo.
We had a little bit of a rain today, and these new umbrellas seem to have held off just fine.
I can't get it to rotate.
Yeah.
Oh, the
these
pouty
new
fist
umbrellas,
and that's
I think we're
better.
definitely.
Upgrade over how you guys played last
He's in
time.
the
See how we
garage.
play?
He can't hear
Yeah,
you, so you might have to
people-
go
People
down.
are
and go
ringing
get him.
the canopies.
I was painting my house.
You know, one
That's what I
day
did
when
on
I
the
get
other
it to
one.
rotate, I'll tell you
We
what,
just got a new
I'll-
house, and we were painting. So I'm sitting in there painting, and I'm watching the Throwers Cup on the YouTube the whole time, watching the whole thing, and I was like, oh, I kind of want to be there, kind of.
It was wild.
Yeah, I
It
saw the
was
tarps.
so
but-
wild. I mean, Darren did its best. We had the 2 canopies over each pit. Unfortunately, there just weren't enough airspace.
Yeah.
I like to think I have been.
But we managed the whole tournament. Pulled through. We
Yeah.
played.
All right, now rotate, now just go.
Promise I'm not.
Oh, no. Oh.
I don't know why though. Am I coming through like this or?
Well,
All right,
What?
Bill's up.
Bailey, he can't hear you. He's in the garage.
Because they're coming out like that, and I don't know.
Oh.
Hmm.
No. Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh, I think I got you on us. I think I got you.
Hey.
Tyler.
Good job, Tyler. Good
Yep.
shit.
Hey. Blind squirrel finds a nut.
Oh, man.
That thing was breakdancing.
That was nice. But unfortunately,
That was a wild spin.
That thing was breakdancing on it.
I gotta hit him now.
All right, Darren's up.
Second shoot here.
Oh, let's see if we can catch a replay on that spin.
I got it.
Oh, of course
Tyler.
not. This is not good job, Tyler. Good shit.
Hey.
All right, you gotta just get it here.
Zeros.
Here it is. Oh, man.
That's the mark right here on the top of that thing. That was interesting.
It probably wrapped around it twice.
It sure did. It went all the way around.
Oh, I pulled it. Hold it.
God, that looked really good.
Second shot for
And I pulled
Tyler.
it again.
He's
You
got
got
one.
one?
Yeah, but I pulled it.
One, man, we got
One of
ringer.
that
People throwing ringers, though. Ah, exactly.
Just like that.
Yep.
And
Good shit. Good shit.
you think you might get one, and
Yeah.
then boom, the other team gets 3, and
Yeah, those single points, they're not going to do you much
they don't
good.
cut it. Yeah.
Mm-mm. You have to throw ringers. You have to.
That's better.
Ooh.
Open.
Get there, dude. You're such a little sissy. Overthrow it.
0.
Zeros.
Yeah.
0.
And he does it again. It's just hard. to
Yeah,
get
but
control.
I kind of like winning.
3 points.
Shit.
Please.
Get it!
Oh!
That's my partner.
I see your ringer and raise you a ringer.
Let's see if I can get the slow mo
let me
on
double
that.
check.
I don't know.
I needed it though. We needed it.
Hold on.
Yes.
One
We
bill.
needed that as a team.
Yeah.
2 ringers. 1.
Sorry, Darren.
It's tricky to kind of.
I know clipping it. Clip it saves
Yeah,
at some
about
point. Like
fucking
marks
change.
it in the reel at some point
Yeah, he might be able to go back
Yeah.
and use it.
and use them. Yeah, and
Yeah.
chop them up for videos.
Yeah, I know. I asked him to change.
Free pit.
Bo!
Vote.
Bo!
We got a streaker.
Yeah. It's actually been really good.
Just outside right there from there.
It hasn't been like, or that last freaking big rain.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Like, good distance.
See, I think these are the ones that
One
make
for
you
Darren.
angry. Even though you get the point, when it's on off,
Yeah.
you know, it's always better to be on.
Yeah. 16-10. There we go.
What's a point?
Yeah, I feel it.
All right, see what Tyler can answer with.
Yeah, it's a big shot right here. You might have got inside. That's close.
Short.
Ooh.
Oh,
Maybe
Good distance, but
Is that a point?
Yeah.
Then it's 2 us.
Oh, shit.
2.
Yeah.
I should open the beer.
2 for Tyler and Cameron.
2 who?
those two big
Tyler,
points
right?
there.
Me or you?
2 Tyler.
Oh, here we go.
16-12 here in game 2 of the best of 3.
Nice.
Dude, why?
Hey, have fun, yeah? Have fun.
I got it. All right.
Hey, we're already here. We're already here. Have fun.
Oh.
Yeah, you haven't been doing that leg kick. Hey, you haven't been doing your little.
I know. My little, my guide.
Yeah. That's what it is. And that's what it is.
Everyone else is stuck here with your wedge game.
Yeah.
One short, one long. How did that 60 just go 120?
A big nothing burger here, 16-12.
Yeah. Another opportunity.
No, you are. No, we are. Yeah, my bad.
I don't have to do anything else. All I have to do is just
Time's
be
up.
here.
Yep, some big shoes.
Can you feel him? Oh.
Great shoe, though.
Bad mouth. No, he's had a lot of
Yeah.
today.
Then I corrected it.
Good rotations.
Oh, you knocked yours closer.
Got himself a point.
Darren, I'm sure you can make like a 10-minute clip it of all my bounce outs today.
I'm ahead of you, mother.
Dude,
I am way ahead of you.
I have so many unlucky bounces.
Golly, man, that's such
All right, big chance for Cam here.
Ooh, that was
He
good.
likes the top of that steak. He really does.
Oh yeah, HGH.
He might be in there for a point.
Yeah.
One home.
Yeah, that's right. That makes sense now. I got to throw my hips into it. That's I totally fucked off.
Yeah.
All day today.
All right, now let's see it, bud.
I'm here for it.
Oh man, in and out.
Oh. Just
Yeah, the bill can make you pay on these.
Nope, you got lucky there. Feeling this.
He delivers for a living.
That he does.
Little rain, little hip action. I think I'm ready for it.
Oh, it's icy? That's weird.
Oh, just over the top.
Oh. I'm about this right now. I'm gonna get it. What?
You should suck a little less.
You know, so growing up, racing, my mechanic would be like, hey, what have you? Don't suck.
Here it comes.
Yeah.
They're just one ring away now.
Yeah, let's do or die.
That was my pep talk.
I'd be a little nervous right now.
Yeah, absolutely, because you know this guy can throw one at any time. But he leaves them an opportunity here.
Right? Like, they...
Oh.
That's a partner right there.
Can Tyler come through with another six-pack of the game?
Spreads here, but...
I'll take 3.
16-18 here, a little tighter.
Ooh, just over it. Good shoe.
And again, that's in
It's a
close,
little.
but it might not
I think it's
be
a little
close
out.
enough. Left a little room for Darren.
It's a lie. I was gonna drag it somehow.
Darren just needs a ringer. Dumb.
Dumb.
It should be.
Nobody cares. Zeros.
All right, so it's on Tyler here. You got to make. And I'm thinking you've got to get a ringer. Here.
Come on, partner.
You ready?
I'm
This
just
is
getting
16,
mood.
This is
18.
it. Anyone's game.
Get there.
Oh, bad bounce.
I'm fired up right now.
I got for some money games.
Oh.
Don't do it to me, Bill. Don't do it.
Oh, goodness sakes.
That sucked, because that was on, dude.
Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me.
That might not be in.
No. Tool.
By a mile.
Dude, I've thrown them high, I've thrown them low, I've thrown them in between.
Oh,
That's a great point.
Yeah.
That's a
it
point
is.
right there. Hit it, mother.
Hit it. You got some
I gotta say ring it. I gotta talk to my shoes more.
Yeah.
Okay, that's right. They listen.
Whisper sweet.
They listen.
nothing.
I got it.
Please don't. Please don't. Please don't.
Two?
To us.
Wow.
Yeah, two for the good guys.
Up. Now they're both within ringers business. And this is what you expect out of a final, right?
Yeah.
Down and out.
Yep.
A couple shoes here, a couple shoes there, and a six-pack here. And
There's definitely going to be a disappointing shutout. Or not shutout, but different disappointing outcome.
Somebody keeps it interesting. Not even close.
In about 6, 8 shots now.
He's got the one, though.
Someone's got one.
Looks like Bill's shoe.
Dude, I am just getting the shittiest of bounces.
It's with you by a lot.
Yep. Us.
Yeah.
1 point.
I'm sorry.
And they come back.
Still.
19 you, 18 me. You're letting you
guys.
score.
No excuses.
Not your turn. It's Cameron's turn.
Oh.
It's okay, little guy. Okay.
Please throw
You're gonna ring it.
So,
Ring
now
it.
he's finally got it. Hey,
All right, open
good.
pitch here. So this is an opportunity.
Oh, of course.
Let's go to game 3. Oh, come on!
Yeah, you pulled the bill. Called it early.
He knifed
Mr.
himself.
50% over there? I don't know that guy. Oh!
Bro, that literally went like this right over it.
1 or 2?
1.
It literally went right over
I
it.
got 19s here.
Wow.
Ooh.
What's interesting about this new scorekeeping system is that you know, before we would have it to where if someone got a ringer, but if you had one in the pit within distance,
Like you subtracted it?
the
Or?
3 to 2.
And
Going away from that now, you know, it's ringer time. Someone's gonna have to ring.
And it's just first one to 21 regardless.
Right.
Yeah.
Get out of there!
There it is. Darren Mercer and Bill Whittemore,
I ain't done shit.
Masters champions.
That's a partner right there. You did everything you could.
I've never been this.
I'll take
What a
3.
final, boys. What a final.
Your bounces were atrocious. Like,
You can know that one.
All right, winner's circle.
Darren left me hanging here.
it's just a one-way street over there.
Darren just
Darren,
left.
you left Tyler hanging.
Bro, I get so unlucky bounces and then you leave me hanging? Congrats, brother.
What a game.
Back in Amherst Championship.
Yeah, I heard you. 2 hours.
Good game, guys.
Yeah, that was very, very, very.
I don't want to watch that back because I'm going to be so pissed off.
Yeah, you do that. You have bouncing right out, bad breaks in the pit.
Let me know, dude. I'll come